Hello everyone, welcome to NIOS platform. Today we are going to discuss some important topic, but before that I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nisha Khandelwal. I am the English educator over here and I'm taking grade 10 and 12th. And today we are going to discuss, as I said earlier, that we are going to discuss the blueprint and the exam pattern and the question pattern and the few important topics that how to crack those important topics, like how to overcome with that anxiety which you people have during exam days. So I will help you out. So first of that, I'll share you my screen over here. Okay, now I guess you can see that. Okay, so in grade 10 the code number of the subject is 202. So marks would be 100. So if you are aware that for this mark, like 20 marks are already given through your TMA. Now 80 mark paper would be there. And time would be 3 hours. Now here you can see that the marking section, the number of total marks would be 100 over here. And here we can say knowledge, understanding, and expression. This is the weightage of objective. Now, what is objective? I'm telling you. Now, for example, there is a chapter. Any chapter you can take. For example, we'll take 9 medals. That's a poetry, right? So, knowledge-based question would be there. Understanding-based question would be there. And expression-based question would be there. Now, knowledge would be like direct question. Okay, that what is the character, what the character has said, that kind of question. Understanding that what you understood, in your opinion, what it would be like, why question are there or how questions are there. The questions start with how and why. These are the understanding one. And expression, what you understand and how you perceive the story or the chapter. So what would you do in that scenario, or if it is relevant to today's scenario, that kind of question would be expression based. Okay, so that's the category of questions which I'm telling you. The question type would be like that. Next, we have weightage by type of question. Okay, now this is very important. Please check. Now we have lot of objective type question. Now 1 mark, number of question would be 1. 2 marks, number of question would be 1. 3 marks, number of question would be 10. 4 marks with sub points, like a number of question would be 3, and 5 marks would be of 1. Okay, this is the classification of the marks and number of questions. Now, very short questions, they are having 13 questions. Now, very short answer would be like one word, one liner, fill in the blanks, MCQs, all kind of. So they are having 26 marks. 13 and 4 would be in the option, but you have to do 13 only. So 26 mark would be there. And then other short answer, word limit is given over there, 40 to 45 words. So 2 plus 1, like 1 would be in the choice and 2 you have to attempt. Now 6 mark. Now long answer, word limit 70 to 80 words. 3 question plus 2 for the choice, and you have to do 3 out of them. And a 12 mark question. An essay type, that is the long one, 100 or 150. 1 question and 1 would be in the choice. That means you will receive 2, you will attempt 1. So total mark 6 mark. So this is the marking scheme of your question paper. Now weightage by content. Now what content would be there in the question paper? Okay, as you know, that paper is divided into 4 parts: reading, grammar, writing, and literature. Okay, so for reading we have 15 marks. So maximum 2 unseen passage would be there. Okay, the marking scheme would be like 8, 7 or maybe 7, 8, something like that. And grammar would be of 30 marks. So grammar has a good weightage over here. Writing skill, letter writing, report writing, article writing, notice writing, 25 marks. Text, prescribed text in the book, that means the literature chapters are having 30 marks. So in that way, it has been of 100 marks. Got it? Now difficulty level, that you understand that, okay, difficult question would be there, average question would be there, easy question would be there. So you can see that marking of average questions are higher. than the other categories, other two categories. That means you have to prepare your chapters well. Okay, here difficult question could be understanding based, that what would you do if you would be there at the place of that particular character. Okay, or how it could be relevant to today's time for kind of that kind of poetry or something, or some reference to question is there, reference to extract or something like that. So that you need to focus. But average and easy marking questions are there. So focus. If you are not, like for example, if you are not able to understand the difficult one, but please don't leave any question. Attempt every question, and easy and average everybody can do. Okay, it's not that tough. Now I'm showing you which kind of marks would be there. Now, first of all, you need to understand these instruction which is giving over there. Okay, that 1 to 6, it would be 1 mark. Then 17 to 34, it would be like 2 mark. Like 26 and 25 having 3 marks each. These kind of instruction would be there in your question paper. Now, what you need to understand, whatever the question is, whether it is my MCQ or a long question or a short answer or a very short answer, what you need to understand that you will attempt each question. You will not leave anything, because the paper would be little lengthy. This is not the very much lengthy paper which I'm showing right now. I'm just showing the question type, which kind of question would be there. But the actual paper would be lengthy. So here I'm telling you that you need to understand that how many questions you really know, how many questions you have to attempt, what are the answers, and what is the format of the answer, how much you should write. That means, for example, if the answer is having 30 to 40, 30 to 40 word limits, okay, short answer I'm talking about. So do not go beyond that. You need to be very watchful that, okay, whatever answer I'm writing, it should be completed into two to three like lines. Then it would be enough. Okay. And if you're writing long answer, for example, the 6 mark answer, so 100 to 150, that means at least 3/4 page of your sheet has to be filled. Okay, for that answer. Now, first we'll reach to part A, that is multiple choice or short answers. Okay, here we are. Okay, so this is part A, section A. Now here, whatever the passage would be there, now I told you that the question paper will be divided into two parts. One would be objective, one would be subjective. Now, objective is having all the MCQs, one-liner answer, one-word answer, or fill in the blanks, or match the column. You all were very much aware which kind of question are in there in objective type. And it carries 26 marks. Okay, so in each topic it will carry the marks. Like for example, from reading also you will get these kind of questions. For example, true, false. Okay, then one word answers, then these MCQs, like the synonyms and antonyms. Okay, from writing also you will get MCQs only. It's not like that you are going to write the whole letter. For example, you can see over there that you are Ankita or Ankit, a resident of Jaipur. You wish to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper highlighting the problem of increasing plastic waste in your city. Now, here you need not to write the whole letter. What you need to do, you need to choose the correct alternatives. You can see the question is saying suitable subject line. Okay, so what would be the suitable subject? So you will choose the option and you will write that option. Next, what should be included in the letter? That also the sequence is also given. So from each part, you will get objective type question as well. That you need to understand. Now next, which point should be highlighted? Again, MCQ. So you will get all MCQs from writing, from reading, and then we will be having grammar as well. Wait, I'll show you up. Here we are. This is again writing. See, write the correct option. These all are MCQs. Now grammar. As I said, you will get MCQs over here as well. Now here, for example, fill in the blanks are there. They will ask you the correct sequence, the correct tense. Now grammar may it would be like tenses, active passive, narration, and part of speech exercise would be there. So here we can see it is tenses. So you need to write the correct form of verb. Now next again it is the tenses one. The other one is the helping verb, right? Again tenses. So you need to focus on these particular topics I'm talking about. Now here it is preposition. As I said, a part of speech. So preposition comes in part of speech, right? Then conjunction. So all MCQs would be there related to grammar. Okay. Then we have MCQs related to literature. Now 9 gold medals, the truth, Gandhiji experiment, tiger in the town. Okay. And what is that Sarojini Naidu poem is there? No, that is weavers, Indian weavers. So that is also there. So that true and false are there. So from literature also you will get good MCQs and those one-liner answer and one-word answer. Now what you need to focus while you are attempting the objective type paper, you need to be very precise of your answer, because there you need to choose the option. You need to write only one word. So your one word would be correct. My request that you should learn the whole chapter properly. Like read the chapter twice or thrice. If you are not able to understand, check the recordings, go to the recordings, read it again, just listen to it again, and then do it. Okay. Now here we are into part B. Now this is very short, but you will not get that much short paragraph. I'm giving you just one glimpse that what kind of paper would be there. So we are having a huge paragraph would be there, and then the question, and you need to write the answer in your answer sheet. Okay. Then we have writing. We have done all these topics like report writing, letter writing, message writing. We have done all of them. Okay, email writing. Now here you can choose few things. For example, you focus on, for example, I'm not saying that few average students are there where they are not able to attempt all the question. So focus on few things like letter writing is must. It will come definitely. Report writing will definitely come. You will get the options. Okay, and message writing would be there. Article writing also. So you can prepare any 3 topics. Okay, because you are getting options in each question. So any 3 topic you can prepare, either letter and article and report. So it would be helpful for you to like write your paper. So your mind will not distracted with lot of things. And while you are attempting writing part, please be focused that all the formats must be learned by you, because there are marks for format as well. Content also it will carry marks, but format we will get the different like bifurcation is like that you will get the marks with the format as well. That also you need to understand. Again, grammar is there, so you can understand over here. You need to write the whole sentence. The correction would be there. Change into reported speech. Reported speech is very important topic. Please do not like leave. Practice it. Okay. Again, part of speech, conjunction, correct form of verb, again tenses that we have already done. Okay, so these kind of question would be there. Now remember the topics: tenses, narration, active passive, and part of speech. That's all, nothing else. But you need to practice a lot of them, right? A lot of exercise you should do. Now we have literature. Literature, 2-mark question would be there. For that you need to learn the chapter. Okay, we have uploaded the worksheet, we have uploaded the answers. You people must have, you have done your own answers, okay, during the classes, so you can learn them and the chapter is prepared. Then 3 marks question would be there for 40 words, and here we are, I guess long question would be also there for of 6 marks. Long question is also there. So now you need to understand that while you are writing your answer sheet, while you are attempting your exam, what you need to understand, keep your mind very at a calm pace and Attempt your paper diligently and think about it that, okay, I know this answer like very nicely. Attempt that question first. But do not leave any question. Whatever comes in your mind related to story, related to the chapter or the character, just write it down. Do not leave any question. Okay. Do not leave any grammar question as well. Attempt. Sometimes you don't know the topic, sometimes you don't understand the rule, but speak that sentence again and again. Then you will understand, okay, 2 will come, okay, 4 will come, or maybe inside will come. I'm talking about prepositions. Now under will come or below will come. So just practice. Okay, guys. So I hope that's all. And I wish you very best of luck for your exam. And please attempt your paper little sincerely. If you have doubt, you can ask in the classes. And since you have little time, so just focus on your revision part. Learn the chapter, learn the characters, learn all the answers possibly. Okay. Thank you so very much.